Let's get you a YouTube channel in the next few minutes. Believe me, this is very easy to do. First thing, go to YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, then you want to click on the sign in button at the top right of the screen. So click on sign in up here, it's in blue. Once you click in sign in, YouTube is going to ask you to sign into your Google account. Now, a good portion of you guys watching right now already have a Google account. You would just want to sign in from there. But if you don't already have an account, then they're going to ask you to set up a new one. Don't be worried about this. You basically need a Google account to use any kind of Google service, including YouTube, because YouTube is actually connected to Google. So you just want to go through there and create your new account. You're going to fill in your information, your name, your email, everything that you want to use. Now, what I would recommend using is when you create a Google account, they allow you to use your own email outside of Google, but it's really easy and simple to set up your Gmail account with Google. And Gmail is exceptional at filtering spam and making sure that you get the emails that you want to see. So I would recommend that you create a Gmail email address, but that one is entirely up to you. So after you fill in your information, you have the security check on here. You just click on next step, and we're going to be in the process of creating our new account here. So it says, welcome, Brendan. We have our new Google account. Now what we want to do is we want to click on this continue to YouTube button. It's right in the middle there. So you notice that really only took about a minute of my time, right? If that. So now that we have our Google account set up and we're logged into Google, you'll notice the difference here is that instead of saying sign in, I have this user picture up here, and it doesn't actually have an image in there yet, but we can actually get an image in there, so don't worry about that. So you want to click on this user image, and then you want to click on the button Creator Studio. So make sure you click on Creator Studio. When you click on Creator Studio, you're going to see that you have a lot of different options to do with your channel. So you're going to have an analytics bar here, community where you can talk to people, all that kind of stuff. Your video manager, so this is where your videos would be. But because we haven't set anything up yet, this is where we just want to create our channel to begin with. So where it says you must create a channel to upload videos, we want to click on the create a channel button. Now use YouTube as Brendan Mace. I like that. Or I could have a different name here because the name that I use is going to be associated with the channel that I create. So we're just going to say Brendan Mace for now. Probably not going to keep this channel anyways because I'm using it just for this tutorial. Now that I've created my channel, basically I am able to upload videos. So pretty straightforward. Any video that I want to upload, I would just click on this upload button here, and it's going to allow me to very easily upload videos from my computer into my YouTube account. So it's very, very straightforward. Now, the other thing that you may want to know here is that if we go back to the Creator Studio, you're going to notice that our channel is very bland, right? And a lot of people make the mistake of just leaving their channel bland. But adding a little bit of customizations, a little bit of pictures and images, that's going to go a long way to very helping you a lot growing your YouTube channel. So it says add channel art here. You can actually put a profile image in here. So if you click on this button, it's going to have your actual profile image for your channel. And then if you add channel art, it's going to add the art on your channel as well. And this is going to be a huge determining factor on how many people decide to subscribe or not. So you want to have something cool there. Now you may be asking, how do I create this channel art? I probably have a profile image in your Facebook or your Twitter or whatever social medium you already have, probably a profile picture somewhere. But how do you create this channel art? Well, my best recommendation is to go to a site called pixlr.com, and you'll notice that it's pixlr.com. So that's the way it's spelled. Well, if you use pixlr.com, they make it very, very easy for you to be able to create any kind of images or really any kind of design work that you want to do. So when you get into the Pixlr editor, just click on create a new image. And then when you're deciding what dimensions that you want to use, you want to pick the dimensions that are best for YouTube channel art. So what we can quickly do here is we can actually do a quick Google search and say YouTube channel art dimensions. So when we search for this, you're going to see that if you're going to create or edit channel art, the ideal image dimensions that Google itself recommends is 2560 by 1440. So when we go back into Pixlr, we want to make sure that we select the dimensions 2660 by, and what was it by again? 2560 rather, by 1440. So I'm going to go in here, 2560 by 1440, and we just click on OK. And there we go. We have our canvas that we're going to be using to create our channel art. Now what you can do is you can use Pixlr to upload images, to fill in colors, do all kinds of things. You can actually create your channel right within this editor itself. Now, if you want a shortcut and you don't want to spend time making a design for your channel, or you're just not a designer, it's not in your skill set, then what you can do is you can go to the website called fiverr.com. Fiverr is a website where you can get small tasks done for you for just $5. Now, if you do the search at the top of the Fiverr website and you just type in here YouTube channel art, you're going to find a bunch of providers, a bunch of people that will create your YouTube channel art for you for just $5. Now, if you notice here, there's a lot of people that create a lot of good design work. So even if you can create channel art yourself, it still might be worth it to buy at least one Fiverr design just to make sure that you have the best possible channel art. Now, Fiverr is only going to cost you $5. So for $5, it's a worthwhile investment to be able to split test against what you could create yourself. After you've finished uploading your channel art and your profile image and you've created your account, you're gonna have a YouTube channel that looks pretty cool. Now, the last thing to do is just to load up your channel with videos. And once you get some videos going, you're gonna get some traffic going, you're gonna get some subscribers, and you'll start growing your following. Now, it's very easy to upload YouTube videos. You just click on the upload button at the top right, and you can upload your videos from there. So I hope this video has helped you and shown you how in the next few minutes, you can have a YouTube channel up and running and be well on your way to sharing your value with the world.